storm just feels different than any that I've sat around and watched. Is that the hail starting to come? Or either big raindrops, hail or big raindrops. Starting to come. We're probably about 3 minutes away from feeling the brunt of it. 3 to 5 minutes. It's moving pretty quick. I was hoping for a couple more lightning before I turned the camera on. There was some pretty spectacular lightning bolts. We had a tree in our yard straight out in front of us that was hit by lightning once. It's no longer there, it died. And then we also had a tornado probably about a half mile on the other side of our yard in about 2014. It actually blew the trampoline from the neighbor's yard over a couple of yards and tore up a lot of houses over in that area. So we've come close. And talking us in this house has come close a couple of times. All right, I'm gonna head in. It's getting right on top of us now. There was one. Already got the dogs and the family downstairs. So I'm the last one in wait. Ooh, there we go. I didn't get to see the bolt though. It's got like a deep, darker, like a deep throat rumble to it. Kind of just looking when the sky lights up to see if I can see any kind of rotation or anything, but it's hard to see what's going on up there. I don't know if I got that one on camera. It was almost straight above me. I'm watching the sky instead of the camera, so. The one time the tornado got real close. Ooh, there we go. That was a nice one. that whole thing where they say it sounds like a freight train, actually. Was kind of true. You just heard this whistle, high whistle sound. Ooh, that one was straight above me. My other phone with the Doppler on it. Sorry. Grab my radar. See where it's at. Where the blue dot. It's coming from that direction. This Doppler thing's like 17 minutes behind, so I gotta pay attention to it. Yeah, still 17 minutes behind. That one scared me. I'm looking at the radar. Oh, that's awesome. Now you can feel it, lightning surrounding me. Here goes the trees. I think we're close enough now, so I'm heading downstairs. Out.